Hi everybody, it's Food Pantry Day, and boy did we get some good stuff today, because the one of the food pantries, this is their delivery week, so they got good fresh vegetables in there, which is great. Fresh vegetables. They actually get fresh looking ones. So awesome. We got little blueberry cheesecakes. Emma will be happy because she'll be able to take the fresh blueberries off because she's not a blueberry person. I'll just freeze them. And then we got some uncured Genoa salami. The kids will be happy with that. They love salami. And we got some flautas, I guess flautas. We'll say it that way. I'm not really sure. So if anybody knows exactly how to say it, let me know. But those were good, and they were not very spicy. I liked those. Nobody else liked them. I liked them. We got some Poland Spring grapefruit sparkling water. Guess who's gonna drink that? That'd be the mama. Me. And we got some mushrooms. It's only fitting they're right side by side because I'm the only one that's gonna eat those too. So, mushrooms and water. Yeah, I guess that's my lunch for today. No, just kidding. I'll put them in something. We got cantaloupe. Pomegranate seeds. Those, me and Emma will put it in juice or something. And we got a head of lettuce. A little one. Onions in there. I know my setup's weird today, but this is how it went. We got 2 original marinara pasta sauce things. Yeah, and of course now I can't get it stacked back up there. 2 sliced light pears. I think I'm too close. 2 whole kernel corns there. 2 whole kernel corns there. We got some Great Value tomato sauce. If you see the Great Value tomato sauce in your food pantry, that one's good. Take it. Pinto beans. I've been really loving hummus lately, and you can make technically hummus out of any bean. I know, technically it's not hummus, it's a bean dip, but whatever. A bean dip, hummus, whatever you want to make, whatever you want to call it, you can do that. Just use the same hummus recipe, just use a different can of beans. It works, it's great. We got some cheddar cheese there, I think. Oh, nope, Colby cheese. It's just not Colby Jack, it's Colby. So it's only yellow. We got some pulled pork underneath there. Not taco flavored, which is fine too, because then you can definitely do tons of stuff with it. We got some carrots. And 2 sweet potatoes. And turkey lunch meat. Right? Cajun. Ugh. We'll feed that to Greg. He'll have to warm it up though, but we'll feed that to Greg. We got some Napa cabbage back there. I love Napa cabbage. Oh, it's so great. Some broccoli, florets, and bread. And I just added in all the rest of the citrus fruit. Me and Emma are going to peel up all our citrus fruit, separate it into segments, and then we're going to freeze it. And we're going to do sorbet. We like sorbet around this house. We really do. We like frozen, ice creamy type of treats, and that's getting away with much less calories. And we got some Modern Pantry shelf-stable milk. You know I love the shelf-stable milk. I have 3 of them now. Woohoo! And get my thumb out of there because I'm switching hands. We got 2 little baby cartons of eggs. Oh my goodness. They are actually full cartons. They are little babies. I've never seen them because we just usually buy big huge eggs in big huge packages of eggs. And we got a regular creamy peanut butter. And we got 3 bags of grapes in here. Woohoo! Me and Emma are on a grape kick, so we're going to be in heaven. And we've got potatoes back there. Yukon Gold potatoes, I do believe. The good thing is with all this fruit, we could have a fruit salad for supper. Oh my goodness, yes. And then I'd still get in a salad type thing. Oh yeah. And coleslaw mix. I use that either for egg rolls in bowls, or I make a salad out of it. I eat it just like a regular salad, or I cook it up and do it in a casserole, or what have you. Mom makes a cabbage casserole with it. She loves it. Of course, she has to have everything cooked. And 2 more things of celery. I'll chop them up and freeze those because they're great in soups that way. And then they're ready to go. We got 2 milks. And they were both had a very good April date on them. So we're good. We got some more bananas. So yeah, I think we'll have a fruit salad tonight for supper. And what do you think? Yeah. Because look at this. 2 big things of pineapple because Mom didn't want hers. So, of course, I took it. I love fresh pineapple. Even if I don't eat it right off, you can freeze it. You can. And we got some apples. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm going to have to start making the fruit salad now because we got, oh, yes, I love fruit salads. And sometimes fruit salads can be very, very expensive to buy for. Wicked. So yay, fruit salad. I'm so excited. And that may be all we have for dinner is fruit salad because it just might be. You never know. We might pick at a few things. But otherwise than that, tonight's fruit salad. And then tomorrow we're having ravioli. I stopped and got some frozen raviolis so we could have baked raviolis for supper. Love those. Love, 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 love those. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited and so happy. And there's so many grapefruit things. I'm not supposed to have it, but I'm going to drink it. Yes, I am. Unless it's really nasty. And then I'll do something else with it. I don't know what. But sometimes sparkling waters can have a real bad flavor. But the grapefruit should hopefully help to hide that. So, that's our food pantry haul today. Yay! Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you have a super wonderful, fantastic day. Emma said I forgot to say that on the video last night, so I had to get it in there today. And we'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, share, and watch a few more.